what's up YouTube? Today it's me, Tragedy Swift here today, and apparently I'm on Xbox. So, as you can see on the title that, yes, today I am recruiting people for Xbox 360. It's Tragedy Clan Recruitment Challenge. Tragedy Genius, he's a PS3 clan leader for Tragedy Clan. His YouTube channel will be in the link, will be down below in the description. Also be annotation to his link, annotation to his channel on top of the video right now. So anyways, okay, so this is my recruitment challenge, and I really hope you guys enjoy. So let's get started with the video. So for Tragedy Clan on Xbox 360, I am Tragedy Swift, the clan leader for Xbox 360. I am recruiting some people that have been in previous clans that are really good and would like to try out for Tragedy Clan. We're hoping to become big in the future. Well, we're just gonna see about that. So today, let's see. Okay, so there's two parts. There's three parts of this what's it called? Recruitment challenge. You must be a full-time editor. That's one. We need an editor for promos, stuff like that. We need an editor. So if you're a really good editor and you did it full-time, please just dang it, I don't even know what to say. Just message me in the comment section below, and I will reply to your comment. But you have to send me a clip of you editing, because I would like to see how good the clip is. And also, if you're a trick shotter, you must have 2 clips of a trick shot that you hit online. No setups, no faking clips or anything, because if you fake clips, you get kicked out of the clan just like that. It must be a complex shot. So I hope you guys really know that. So, and also, if you're a feeder, you must have 2 clips of you hitting a feed. No split feeds allowed at all. Just want to see full feeds. Okay? So I think basically that's it. Well, yes. So exactly just what I said. Remember what I said. And if you guys can't hear me that well, everything will be in the description. Don't worry, I'll just type it in there, so that you guys can understand more, and you guys don't have to wait, how do I miss that? Oh no. Okay, so that's basically the recruitment challenge, guys, and I really hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I don't know when I'm gonna hit a shot exactly, but I know it's coming up soon. Oh yeah, and I'm doing this right now. See, I'm just doing this playing right now. How am I missing that? What? Okay. So, yes. Okay, I'm gonna repeat everything all over again. You must, for editors, you must be a full-time editor. No, you have to send me a clip. My email will be in the description below. Legit clips to prove that you're a good editor. Cause I can't just choose some editor out of the sky, cause maybe they're not really editors. And also, oh, I was about to kill him. Alright, and for trick shotters, you must hit 2 complex shots of a trick shot. No setting up or anything. Or no faking clips, because if you caught faking clips, you get kicked out instantly. Okay? So pretty much, yeah. And if you're a feeder, you must show me 2 clips of you hitting a really good feed. It could be anything, but not a split feed, because I don't like split feeds. I'm not trying to act all BS, but split fees are not allowed. So I really hope you guys know that. So, and pretty much that's it. Oh, what? Okay, so enjoy the rest of the video. So I hit the shot, and this has been Tragedy Swift. Oh yeah, also my gamer tag will be in the description below, so you guys can know. So pretty much yeah. Cause I don't want to leave you guys alone. Oh shoot, I'm trying to get shot. No, you got me. So that's basically the recruitment challenge, guys. I really hope you like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends, because they could be a major part of the clan today if they join. I would really appreciate more people joining the clan, because that way I think that we can start more new friendships. And pretty much yeah. So that's all I have to say for today, guys, and enjoy the rest of the video, and peace out.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.